So we put IPM coaching online. We open the 2IIM online coaching. So this offers the homepage for online 2IIM, online.2IIM.com/online IPM. There's a page. You Google it, you can find this page. Now you can sign up and check it out as a trial user. The course itself is available here. I'm going to take you through the course and show what is available inside that. What do you get if you purchase this course? When you click here, it opens on to an interface which opens up all the different things available inside the course. Fine. So read through this to know what is available here. What I'm saying in this video is completely available in text form here. And if you see the screen, there's something called as overview and something called as courses here. Overview gives an outline of the course. Courses tells you what is sitting inside that. Right. If you look at the IPM exam, there is quantitative ability, there's verbal ability, then there is some data interpretation and logical reasoning. In some exam, the data interpretation part sits inside the quantitative ability. In some case, the logical reasoning part sits outside. And so you have a separate set of classes sitting inside quantitative ability, separate ones inside data interpretation, logical reasoning, bunch of classes under verbal ability. Then there's the thing called as IPM booster, which really sets you up for a special dose for IPM. And on top of this, we have IPM mock tests. So the first 4 are learning props. So you learn quant, you learn DILR, you learn verbal ability, you learn for IPM booster. This one is the IPM mock test. So it gives you a flavor of how IPM exam is really. So it's a practice exam before the exam. And after this, these bundles are practice sets. You can take a bunch of tests. If you want to improve further on any given topic, you take the test. I'm going to focus more on the learning bits, quant, data interpretation, verbal ability. You click inside quant. Again, it opens up into a place where there's overview. Then there is syllabus. Click on syllabus. All the topics inside this class, inside this course are listed here. So there is averages, percentages, profit and loss, linear and quadratic equation, exponents and logarithm, number theory, combinatorics, which is permutation probability. All of these are sitting inside this. So pick and choose, navigate any one class you click, you have a bunch of ideas sitting inside that. So navigation inside this is fairly straightforward, and you should be able to cover everything covered in the IPM just through this. And so quant, data interpretation and logical reasoning, verbal ability, IPM booster, and then mocks. This is the main component of the course. The Dil Level Tests. These are tests that are sitting inside, which you can take to get better in taking the test, in kind of gearing yourself up for specific topics. So you click here, you'll get topics on tests on percentages and profit and loss. These are question sets that are pegged at the level of your exam. So give you an exam feel and give you some sense of what is the relevant level of difficulty for the exam. You might learn some fundamentals and some basics, but then you want to know, okay, am I geared for this exam? This test series gives you that feedback. And so navigating across this course, inside IPM course, you have quant, DI and LR, verbal ability, and then an IPM booster. There are a bunch of test series based on where you want to go that extra mile in preparing and practicing. Then there are mocks. And so go through this. Anyone can just click here, sign up and enroll for free and check out all the freely available content and sample that. So if you look at quantitative ability and you click on syllabus, the percentages topic is completely free. So you can take that and sample that to know how this course is. The course is wonderfully well designed. It's a giant YouTube channel to kind of evaluate how we teach. So take some time out, sign in as a trial user, enroll in these in the IPM part, go through all the freely available bit, then create your own plan and check it out. We are there available throughout your process. In case you have any doubts, queries, you can always reach out to us by WhatsApp, email, phone, on the discussion tab, anywhere and everywhere. And so please do take value from the course and best wishes for your IPM exam.